India and Pakistan are fighting over basmati rice. India believes that basmati was exclusively grown and originated in India and hence it should be given a geographical indication tag or GI. However, on the other side of the border, Pakistan thinks exactly the opposite. Before we get into the details of the dispute, let's quickly understand what are GI tags and why are they so important. A geographical indication is a label given to products with specific geographical origin that has qualities and gives them a reputation. It also provides legal protection to Indian geographical indication and thus preventing unauthorized use of the registered GI by the others. These tags are used for agricultural products, wine and spirit drinks, handicrafts, and industrial products. The advantage of such tag is that it leads to the overall economic prosperity of manufacturers and producers alike. Such a tag also helps with the marketing and promotion of the products. It enhances the secondary economic activities in that specific region, which in turn boosts the regional economic development. In India, geographical indications registration is administered by the Geographical Indications of Goods Registration and Protection Act of 1999. Now let's understand why the two countries are at loggerheads for this one tag. India is the world's largest exporter of basmati rice. It has applied for protected geographical indication status for the European Union's Council on Quality Schemes for Agricultural Products and Foodstuff. This would help India get the sole ownership of basmati title in the EU. Pakistan, which is the only other basmati rice exporter in the world, has opposed this move as it would adversely impact its own exports, especially as the EU is a major market for its basmati. Pakistan produces over 7.4 million tons of rice, out of which 4 million tons is exported worldwide. On the other hand, India exports basmati rice in 2020 showed that it had risen to 11.95 million tons. Now, what is the history behind its origin? In India, historically, the long grain aromatic rice has been grown in Indo-Gangetic plains at the foothills of the Himalayas. In modern India, this region spreads over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, and Jammu and Kashmir. In Pakistan, basmati rice is grown for centuries in the Kalar tract, which is West Punjab province. There have been frequent disputes over granting of the protection of the GI tag, not just internationally but also in various states in India. For example, Madhya Pradesh has been lobbying the central government to declare its basmati rice varieties as GI. It has also involved Supreme Court into the matter. The All India Rice Exporters Association has opposed this on the basis that it compromises basmati's integrity. However, Pakistan and Indian exporters have come to a conclusion that joint ownership of basmati is the only viable option to the dispute. The EU buyers also prefer the joint ownership of the rice as they want to keep both New Delhi and Islamabad on board in terms of commodity exports.